paghahatian equally. Mega Lotto is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The fifth number is 5. Very easy lang maglaro ng Lotto. Magtanong lang ng game mechanics and schedule sa ating friendly Lotto tellers. And the sixth and final number is 10. Muli po ang ating Mega Lotto winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 9, 41, 22, 45, 5, and 10 in any order for the jackpot prize of 83,05,546 pesos and 94 centavos. Net of the agent's prize commission. Pilipinas, wala ring nanalo sa Ultra Lotto draw last Tuesday. So tonight's Ultra Jackpot prize is 128 million pesos. Net of the agent's prize commission. Once again, sir, please press that button and let's play Ultra Lotto 658. Ultra Lotto fans, this time 58 robots numbered 1 to 58 ang hinahalo sa loob ng draw machine and still, mag-isa lang itong pipili ng 6 winning numbers. The first number is 53. Sa jackpot-bearing games ng Lotto, paghahatian equally ang jackpot prize kung dalawa o higit pa ang jackpot winners. The second number is 54. Dito sa Ultra Lotto 658, 100 pesos sa panalo pag nag-match ang 3 numbers nyo sa ating winning combination. The third number is 44. Sa mga makakaswerte ng 4 winning numbers sa Ultra Lotto, 1.4 million pesos ang premyo paghahatian nyo. The fourth number is 57. Paghahatian naman ang 1.5 million pesos na makakakuha ng 5 Ultra Lotto winning numbers. The fifth number is 51. Huwag pong magpapaloko sa mga nagpapanggap na PCSO officials, employees, or Lotto hosts at nagsasabing mabibigyan kayo ng tip na mananalong numero sa Lotto. Scam po yan. The sixth and final number is 7.
Pilipinas, digit panalo time na. At sa unang digit game, 4 numbers ang bibida. Hindi bababa sa 10,000 pesos at pwedeng umabot sa 100,000 pesos. Per 10 peso play ang instant panalo pag nakuha in exact order ang 4D Lotto winning combination. May system placing dito gaya ng Roll 1, Roll 4 at Perm o Rumble. Magtanong lang sa friendly Lotto tellers kung paano ito laruin. At narito na ang 4D Lotto winning combination. The first number, 0. The second number, 4. The third number, 0. And the fourth and final number is 7. Ladies and gentlemen, our 4D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 0, 4, 0, and 7 in exact order. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo agad sa panalo ng tatlong numero. Tara na, let's play the 3D Lotto game. Digit game players, 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo pag nag-match ang 3 numeros ninyo sa 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto, that's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. And here's our 3D Lotto winning combination. The first number, 6. The second number, 5. po, ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 6, 5, and 9 in exact order. Last but not the least, ang paboritong digit game ng bayan. Eto na, let's play the 2D Lotto game. D Lotto players, kayo ang may last chance to win tonight. Kailangan lang mag-match in exact order ang two numbers ninyo sa 2D Lotto winning combination para manalo ng 4,000 pesos at sa Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos ang naghihintay na papremyo. Sa lahat ng Lotto winners, you have 1 year to claim your prizes. And there you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number, we have 16. And the second number is 24. Recapping tonight's 2D Lotto winning numbers, we have 16 and